So I was in a sports clips yesterday sharpening, and one of the girls said, hey, you had sharpened these clipper blades for me one time before and they cut really well. Here's another pair, can you sharpen them? I'm always reluctant to sharpen some of these oddball brand clipper blades because I have no way of testing these whatsoever. But she said she was confident that they will cut really well. So we're going to sharpen them today here on the big red machine. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it really quick and make $8. I don't charge very much for the shears, or for the clipper blade, excuse me. But here we go. So it didn't take me very long to sharpen it, but like I said, I don't have any way of testing these blades. So I always feel odd about them, and I don't know how much the brand new blade cost, but I only charge $8, and I do tell them I'm not sure these are going to cut great or not. But she says I've sharpened these before, and I've sharpened for this girl many times. So she says it works. So there we go.